Hi children, a warm welcome to all to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Shreya, your maths teacher. See children, today let's learn how to subtract a number from zeros. Okay, see, now you already studied how to subtract 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers with and without carryover. Today, let's learn how to subtract 4-digit number from zeros. Are you ready? Okay, see children, look at the example. Here we have 8,000 minus 6,523. See, so always start from ones place. So here which one is in ones place? Yes, 0 and 3. So 3 is greater than 0 or 0 is lesser than 3. So we cannot subtract. Then what we will do? Yes, we can borrow 1 from tens place. But see children, tens place also 0. So what do we do? Yes, we can borrow 1 from 100 place. See? But see, 100 place also 0. Then what do we do? Yes, we can borrow 1 from thousands place. Here, thousands place digit is 8. So you can borrow 1 from thousands place. Then the 8 is reduced by 1 and it becomes 7. And 0 increased as 10. Clear? Then we can regroup 10 hundreds. Okay. So this 10 will be 9. Okay. Then this will be 10. Now we have 10 tens. Okay. Now we can regroup these 10 tens. So this will be 9 and this will be 10. Clear? So now in ones place 10, then tens place 9, 100 place 9 and thousands place 7. Now we can easily subtract. First 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? Yes, that is 7. Next 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Then 9 minus 5. That is equal to 4. Then 7 minus 6. That is equal to 1. So when we subtract 8,000 and 6,523, we will get 1,477. Clear? Then one more example. See the example. 6,020 minus 2,518. So first subtract ones place digits. Here which are the ones place digits? Yes, 0 and 8. See, is it possible to subtract 8 from 0? No, because 8 is greater than 0 or 0 is lesser than 8. Then what we will do? Yes, we can borrow 1 from tens place. Clear? So see here tens place digit is 2. Then you can borrow 1 from 2. Then this 2 will be 1 and 10 will be 0 will be not 10, 0. 0 will be 10. Then we can easily subtract from 10. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. That is equal to, yes, 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Then subtract 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? Yes, when we subtract any number from itself, the answer will be 0. So here answer is 0. Next subtract 100 place digits. Here which are the 100 place digits? Yes, 0 and 5. So subtract 5 5 from 0. 0 is lesser than 5. So we cannot subtract. Then we can borrow 1 from thousands place. Here which is the thousands place digits? Yes, 6. Okay, here 6 and 2. Now we can borrow 1 from 6. Okay, so this 6 will be 5 and 0 will be clear. 6 will be 5 and 0 will be 10. Now we can subtract 10 minus 5. Okay, 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? Yes, 10 minus 5 is 5. Then subtract 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to? Yes, 3. So, when we subtract 6020 and 2518, we will get 3502. Clear? Okay children, now I believe you all have learned how to do subtraction from zeros. Please do more problems from your home because the subtraction from 0 is little bit confusing topic. So please take much care while borrowing from next numbers. Okay, ask your parents to give more problems on this topic and do from your home. Then see you next session. Till then, take care. Bye.